In this guide, I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT on an Android phone. Intro. First things first, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then from here, open up the Google Play Store. You can usually find this on your home screen. Otherwise, swipe up to open up that app list and then just search for Play Store. And inside the Play Store, hit search down at the bottom, and up at the very top, you need to go ahead and type in ChatGPT. Hit load, you're going to see the app right here. You could select it to open up the app page, and you need to make sure that you do find the official one published by OpenAI, and then you just have to hit install beside it and wait for that download and installation to finish. The time required will depend on your internet speed. Once it's installed, you get it open to launch, or you could just swipe up and find it in your app list here as well. The process is as simple as that. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.